Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. As you know, it's that time of the year again where it's pretty much you're walking into an oven outside. So, as per requested as well, I am doing the Arctic Air Ultra, if I can ever get that word out, to review today to see whether it works or not, if it's just as good as the other one, if it's going to get you cool. I also will be doing a comparing to the Arctic Air to the Arctic Air Ultra as well. So make sure that you subscribe. Let's go ahead and open this baby up and see how cool I can get. I mean, I already am cool, but you know what I mean. Okay, maybe I'm not that cool. I can't even open a box. All right. Do not return to store. We can help you if this product is not working or you have any questions. Okay, cool. So if I get a defective product, I'm gonna call the company. All right. Let's take this, because I have been complaining already. It's the beginning of spring, or yeah, spring has only been about a week or so in here, and I'm already complaining that it's already burning up. And I don't remember where I put the other air devices, so I have to start from scratch this year. And like I said, start from scratch. All right, I like the decor look it has to it. It's more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, maybe just from the back. But I do like it has a little bit more of a decor look to it rather than just, you know, a little white plain box. So far I see the upgrade to it. Let's just see if the upgrade is worth it. All right. Lightweight, at least without water. Let's see. Make sure, where is the portable device? Let's see. Pre-soak filter, fill with pitcher, set airflow, cleaning or filter cleaning. Let's see. So place your filter under running cold water until wet. Tip for even cooling. For more cooling, place a wet filter in the freezer until frozen. Ooh, well that's a good advantage to have. Let's see. Oh, haha, just kidding. This is how you open it. All right, so now how do we get the filter out? That's the question. How do we get the filter out? Where's the directions to that? So it shows where it doesn't show where the filter is. What in the world? Something tells me I'm gonna find out eventually where it is. Let's look at the instructions, shall we? All right, where is the air filter? Oh, so you pull it out. Where do you pull it out of? See, I'm pretty sure y'all are happy that I'm dealing with this, so that way y'all can open it up and just know where everything is like a pro. Oh. That's why it's taped. I thought so. I was just kind of testing y'all, see if y'all could guide me and tell me where it was. Might help if I take the tape off first. Hopefully all this will be edited out, right? I didn't think so. I'm getting the eye roll like, no. People are gonna see you act like a fool. All right, so I'm gonna go soak this, and because I'm ready to cool off. It's already getting kind of warm in here. And I'm too cheap to turn on the AC. So, let me go soak this, read the instructions, and I'll be right back. All right, so instead of freezing it, just because of time restraints, I just went ahead and I soaked it in some ice cold water. Ooh, that is cold. My fingers are too happy right now. So hopefully this will make this extra nice and cold. Okay, so it says, dishwasher, place in the top rack of your dishwasher to run cycle normally and let it air dry. So that's how you're going to clean it. You can also hand wash it gently with warm water and soap, shake out excess water and let it air dry. Ew, if you see mold on the filter or notice a musty smell, stop and clean the filter before use. Fully submerge in a filter in a pot or bowl filled with equal parts Clean water and white vinegar. Allow it to soak 45 to 60 minutes. Rinse with warm water and let it air dry. So that's how you clean it. All right. Now, how did I take this out? That's the question. Is that how I do it? Or did I do it like this? Probably like this. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. All right. So, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with water. Now, I'm not going to do cold water. I'm just going to do regular room temperature water and see how that turns out with the ice cold. There's also, before I pour it in, there's a little tab right here that tells you the maximum amount of water to fill as well, so you don't overfill it. All right, let's go ahead and get this in. I only have 2 cups. Well, actually I have more than 2 cups right there, but we're gonna see how much. Yes, I gotta get quiet while I pour. So 2 cups of water. Exactly. So that's how much it takes to fill, in case you're wondering. Alrighty then. So it's still pretty lightweight even with the water. Gotta plug it in, plug it in. Alright, one thing that I have noticed too, on the back of here, has little grooves where you can actually, if I can do it, I can show you. To kind of get the cord out of the way so it doesn't interfere with the fan like that. So that's a neat little feature. Alright, we're going to turn it on. Ooh, that is strong. Oh, I like that. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to see how cold it gets. So I'm actually facing the device at the camera, and you guys are a nice warm 79.1 degrees. See how cold I am. Okay, maybe I shouldn't choose my eyes. Okay, so I'm a little bit warmer. I'm at 89 degrees. But we're not worried about what temperature I am or what you are. We're wanting to know how cold this device gets. Alright, it is shooting at a 60 degrees. So that's a nice temperature. So I'm actually going to set my arm here for, well, let me do this arm since it hasn't been on there. So this arm is at 87 degrees. And I'm going to have my arm set here for a minute while I'm enjoying the nice cool breeze. I believe I have it set on the highest set. Yeah, it's on the highest setting right now too. So it's blowing full blast right now. Keep in mind, the only thing I did was soak it in ice cold water right here. And room temperature water. So even if, I'm pretty sure it'll get even colder if I were to put colder water in there. So, I'm going to let my arm soak a little bit. So it's a good, what, 6 inches away from the device, so we'll see how cold my arm gets. Although I'm kind of upset that my arm's in the way because I'm enjoying this nice cool breeze. Let me see, is there any other information that I know? It has adjustable 3 speeds, and like I said, it's on full speed right now, so it's not that loud. I did say that it's lightweight and portable. Oh, it's a humidifier too, which obviously would make sense because it is blowing cool air, or cool, damp air in there. Anything else in here while I'm cooling off my arm? Cool off, cool off. Alright. So, running it full speed runs between 8 hours on high and 10 hours on medium, 12 hours on low. So in case you're wondering how long the water will last you. So, a good night's sleep on 8 hours on this thing, you can't complain too much. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do my arm here. Okay, so my arm's not cooling off that fast, obviously. So it seems like it's cooling off a little bit, or warming up, should I say. Because right now it's at 67 degrees. But I do have normal temperature water, So I'm pretty sure that could make a difference. So it did make my arm 5 degrees cooler, comparing left to right. Anything else? Gotta pre-soak it. I already told you that, or told you how to clean it. What's the dimensions on this? Let me pull out my handy dandy measuring tape that's buried in my junk drawer back here, in case you couldn't hear it. Alright, so it runs 5.5 inches by 6.5 by a little over 6 inches. So that can give you kind of a measurement, you know, a dimensional size for the device. That's what I'm going with. Regardless, it works. It does cool me off. Alright, so now it seems like it's cooling off again. So I think I can feel a difference when the air's blowing. It does get a little bit cooler because, like I said, right now it's at 60. It actually keeps cooling down more and more. Right now it's set at 61.6 degrees. When I did it the first time, I think it was like 60. So I guess it depends on which angle I set it at. And it's making my eyes water, so I'm not crying. Although I am sad because I don't have a lot more subscribers. So if you want to see me stop crying, can you please subscribe now? And if you've already subscribed, thank you for your support. I appreciate it. I know I'm a drama queen. Don't judge me. Alright, so it just, like I said, depending on where I have it, sometimes I have it directly on the filter itself. Sometimes it's hitting, you know, on one of the flaps over here. So it's giving a little bit of different degrees. But it's about 60, 65 degrees, which, I mean, for indoors, that's pretty cool. A little bit cooler than me, actually. Just a little bit. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. As far as the cost, before I forget, it does run $40. The Arctic Air, not Ultra, so I don't confuse people, runs, I believe, about $20. I think it was $30 last year, so I think it's gone down in price a little bit. I could be wrong. I did review it, so if you want to correct me and go watch my other video, I will not complain. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer. In the meantime, I'm going to cool off over here, save some money on my electricity. Subscribe, stay tuned, and stay jazzy.